Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the 2015 RZR 900 Trail back in the shop, and if you've been watching the videos, you can see, or you saw that I converted it to an S using Super ATV's kit. I got new 28 by I think 10 by 14 Tusk Terabike tires. And I just got it all shined up, and I bought something for it. After I tried out the cheap primary clutch that I didn't like, I ended up ordering a new clutch kit, and it is a Duraclutch clutch system. It's secondary and the primary clutch. It comes with everything you need, and if you know anything about them, it's totally different setup than a regular like OEM setup on one of these. So let's go take a look at that. There it is, the old Duraclutch, and this one for the 2015 RZR 900 Trail is a 15-503 DC kit. Open this up. Comes with a new belt, as you can see there. And this right here is the primary. This is the new primary clutch you get with it. That's it in that box. And if you've seen these, you've seen that that's a centrifugal clutch on the inside, so the sheaves aren't always spinning, the belt's always in contact, unlike the OEM style where it just rides here in the center. So it's a different setup. There's lots of holes drilled in it for balancing, unlike the cheap Chinese one I tried. And overall, the manufacturing of this looks pretty good, which it should for the price. And you can see on the back it looks a lot different as well. So let's look at the secondary in there. It also comes with instructions and stickers in there, and a new bolt for the primary that goes up in here. It's an Allen head socket, and this is a torque bolt. Also comes with your tool to remove the clutch, or remove the belt, sorry, to spread the secondary out. And this here is the secondary. You can see you got your round rollers, it's not square pucks on the front. It's all nice and balanced. It's got holes drilled where they balance this. So your helix in the back, and what else is different on this? Not sure. The sheaves seem pretty thick on this, pretty heavy. Unlike the junk style that's in mine right now, which is they put these on a couple years. The 2015, 2016, and some of the Rangers, and just the 900 Trail 900S had this on the 2 years. But the helix is in the center, it's not on the back side. The back side is just a cup with a spring, and you can't do anything with it. There's no adjustment, you can't play with anything. And this one is bad. In saying that, this primary, this is the cheap one, I'm going to take it off and send it back. I just wanted to try one out, but it ticks, it makes noise, and it's not balanced. There's no holes in it where it's been balanced, drilled and balanced. I don't like the idea of running that on my machine and tearing up crank bearings or something, you know, long term. But it does work in a pinch. If you want to keep one for a spare to get you by, that would work. But I'm not going to deal with it. I'm just going to put on a good clutch system so I can ride and not have to worry about it.
kayaking, wasn't it?
No, we never kayaked here. Nice little spot.
Yeah. Pretty. So we're not the first ones to try out.
No. I was working at a guy's house. That's a tent right there. Yeah.
Yep.
Was that? I was working at a guy's house. He said he was down here, right here, and he had his quad tires in the water. He and Ira was giving him shit about it. I can write you a ticket, he says.